Hi everyone, welcome to DVS Math channel.
Yes, today next moving on to the exercise 2.2 question number 8. In previous session we solved question number 7 using basic proportionality theorem. So now we are moving on to the question number 8. So question number 8 is like this, using theorem 2.2. So see, in previous question we took theorem 2.1, that is basic proportionality theorem. Now we are using this next theorem, that is theorem 2.2 is nothing but a converse of BPT. What they are saying, prove that the line joining the midpoint of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. So that means, look here, what I will explain about the question. That is, if we consider a triangle A, B, C. Now if I consider one midpoint on AB, that is D, and if I consider another midpoint on AC, if I consider E, now if I join these 2 points, we will get that line, right? So we have to prove that this DE is parallel to BC, which is nothing but a converse of previous problem. Clear? So here you understand carefully. That means we have to consider a triangle, okay, and you have to take one midpoint on one side of triangle AB and take another midpoint on side of AC and join those 2 points. You will get a line and you have to prove that this line is parallel to BC, other side of a triangle. Okay, so now let's start. As it is, show that, as I told you, you have to write everything that is given to prove everything. So now what is that is, let us take a triangle ABC, where D is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of AC. So yes, this is the given. A in triangle ABC, D is the midpoint on AB, E is the midpoint on AC. What we have to prove, DE is parallel to BC. That means the line joining those midpoints is parallel to BC. So now let's go on to the proof. Now it is also very simple proof. So first, in triangle ABC, so what you can write, DE is the midpoint, right? So inside, so AB, so what you can write, AD equals DB, right? AD equals DB, that's what we wrote here. So now take this DB to here downwards. So what it happens, 1. So AD by DB is equal to 1. This is very simple. Or you can, if you cross multiply, it becomes again AD is equal to DB. The same thing if I consider E is the midpoint, again what you can write, AE equals EC. So AE equals EC means consider this to the LHS, it becomes division. So AE by EC is equal to 1. So now you have equation 1 and equation 2. In both the cases, RHS is equal to 1, right? In both the cases, RHS is 1. So now you can equate LHS, that is AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. This is very simple. So in both the cases, this is very simple. Please understand it. So in the triangle, first in consider a triangle, D is the midpoint. So we will equate these 2 sides, AD equals DB. Take to the one side, so it becomes AD by DB is equal to 1. Then take E is the midpoint. Then we know that AE equals CC. Take to the one side, it becomes AE by EC is equal to 1. So in both the cases, RHS is equal to 1. So equate LHS, that is AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So as you all know, in a triangle, the other 2 sides are divided in the same ratio. Other 2 sides are divided in the same ratio. Then the line drawn is parallel to the third side by converse of BPT. So by converse of BPT, you can write it as DE. Sorry, this is DE. Make it DE. DE is parallel to BC. So what you can write the conclusion here, converse of BPT, or you can write the given question using theorem. Which theorem we are using? 2.2. You can write converse of BPT. So here we are using converse of BPT and it is very simple using the midpoints, and please change the alphabets and practice well. So it is very easy question. For more exercise questions, subscribe my channel. Keep watching. Thank you.